Stop weak arm days. These moves will give you triceps that pop. Exercise 1, Rope Pushdown. This exercise is performed standing in front of a cable machine. It targets the triceps, helping with definition and size. You can use a rope attachment or straight bar. Keep your elbows locked, moving only your forearms up and down for proper tricep activation. Exercise 2, Barbell Skull Crusher. Lie on a flat bench and hold a straight or Olympic barbell. Pick a weight you can handle for 10 to 15 representatives. Keep your elbows fixed, lowering the bar with only your forearms. Avoid jerking to prevent elbow injury and maintain controlled movement. Exercise 3, Seated Cable Overhead Extension. Sit in front of a lat pull-down or cable machine with a straight bar. Lock your elbows and move only your forearms. Extend the cable up while squeezing your triceps. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives for better tricep shape and definition. Exercise 4, Machine Dips. Use the dip machine if available to add heavy weights safely. Alternatively, you can do bodyweight dips on parallel bars. Both exercises strengthen the triceps and enhance muscle definition. Exercise 5, One-Arm Cable Pushdown. Stand in front of a cable machine and hold a single handle. Perform the pushdown with one arm at a time. Keep your elbow fixed, moving only your forearm. Start with light weight and increase gradually. Do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives per arm. Exercise 6, Dumbbell Kickback. Use a light dumbbell, either standing bent over or with bench support. Extend the dumbbell fully back, contracting the triceps, and slowly return to starting position. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives for a strong tricep pump.